Good morning, students. The last video of the curriculum development, not the least. Okay, let us see what is curriculum again. The curriculum is sum of a total learning experiences planned for a particular group of students in order to achieve the educational objectives. Correct or not? Yes. So, what is that? We have seen in the last videos organization of learning experiences. What's called the evaluation? So, if you know the definition of educational achievement of educational objectives is a curriculum. It's a sum of a total learning experiences planned for a particular group of students in order to achieve the education. So, curriculum will not fulfill that either you measure it whether the educational objectives are achieved or not. How do you measure it? The measurement through the evaluation. What is the definition of evaluation? Evaluation is the process by which whether the educational objectives are achieved or not. You are evaluating. It is the process. What is this process? So this process is nothing but you measure it whether they understand by conducting the various test examination you achieved or not. If educational objectives are not achieved, they are going to repeat it. That's what the curriculum's last one. So how do they do that? Whether this one, they do the assessment. The assessment is called the evaluation. What is the types of assessment? The types are the formative assessment and summative assessment. The formative assessment will be the ongoing, everyday, frequently, daily diary, will be daily checking, focusing, conducting the class test and giving the assignments, regular activity the students are watched, informal observation, what's her behavior, all these things will be the teacher, will be the class coordinator will be doing. What is called the summative? Summative is the final examination. Either may be the biannual examination or the end of the year, and the semester examination or the annual or the board examination. So this is the types of the evaluation technique. Evaluation, whether to find out whether the educational objectives are achieved or not. Yes, what is the criteria for selecting these instruments or selecting these techniques? So this will be concordant with the educational objective. First, the testing instrument, the test according to the syllabus, according to the educational objectives. Objectivity should be there, non-bias. Practicability will be there. Construct the instrument with a wide curricular content. Maybe 10 units will be there. The examiner will be taken the all 75 mark question in 2 units. What will happen if the child did not learn the 2 unit? Totally she will fail. The assessment will be failed. The program objective is not achieved. So she has to repeat the examination. So you keep in mind, this is an important criteria. So construct the test, construct the tool should be covering the whole unit, either the 1 mark, or make a blueprint whether you are covering or not. It should be clear, it should be comprehensive, it should concise, it should be precise, it should be relevance to the educational objective, it should be adequate, it should be appropriate, it should be understandability, it should be validity. What is validity? Face validity, content validity, criterion validity, construct validity. What's the reliability? It should be reliable. Stability. It should have an internal consistency. So these are all the things you have to remember. Okay. How you can classify the test? You are following all these criteria. You are making a test question. How you can classify the test? The tests are classified into standardized test, non-standardized test. The standardized test is the tool is, the question is constructed, it is validated, it's all main will be given by WHO, right or not? Non-standardized test. Non-standardized test is the test teacher construct the test. Maybe orally, teacher will ask some question in the class, or written test, essay, or written test, maybe essay maybe the long essay or the restricted essay. Clear or not? Then objectives. What is the essay type or the written will be objective type? Maybe fill up the blanks, sentence completion test, or the selection type, true or false, MCQ, match the following, assemble the items. Performance, also non standardized, maybe the practical examination, conducting, assessing the skill, maybe the problem solving, BBL, problem based learning. So these are all the types of the examination you can conduct. The test can be conducted to understand, to seek this help the performance. At the first year, the students can able to do the bed making to assess their practical examination skill by checklist. Did she wash the hand? Done the mitten corner? Done the dam testing? Like that. You can make it. So these are all helps to assess whether the educational objectives are achieved or not. That's called the evaluation. Okay, so overall, one question I want to ask you. How will you frame the curriculum construction? After watching all my video, with the help of Rolf Tyler in model, how you can construct the curriculum. You remember my first video, curriculum determinants will help you. Demography, sociological determinants, psychological determinants, societal value, students' attitude, societal need. So all these determinants will guide me into the curriculum planner. Who is planner? They are curriculum experts, right? Psychologists, sociologists, INC people, higher authorities, officials will take all the determinants into the consideration for curriculum planning. It will help them to plan the curriculum. So how do they plan the curriculum? First, they make a framework. How do they make a framework? According to that, formulation of the philosophy and objectives, and selection of learning experiences, organization of learning experiences, evaluation of learning experience. All these determinants will be help them to formulate this one, and they will take into consideration. So this is called the overall about this. Okay, with that we are finishing. Anyhow, we'll see some models of curriculum, some shifting trends in curriculum. What is the curriculum development shifting trend? One theory to the theoretical pluration. Okay, understand? One theory. We are not using only one theory, many theory in our curriculum. Then the predominance of technology to the humanitarian caring. Okay, then focus on doing to focus on being. The specific content to the critical thinking. Framework of training to the framework of educating the whole people. Biomedical model to the health promotion model. Health for all, not only for the sick, those who are not sick also to continue to be healthy, promote their health. Teacher as an expert to the teacher as a facilitator, and teacher also a learner. So according to that we are setting the curriculum. Curriculum development to the faculty development. The faculty has to develop, to incorporate. Maybe in a curriculum, nursing curriculum, ChatGPT is included or robots are included. So the faculty has to train to operate the robots. So this is the current trends of curriculum development. Let us see some model if they are asking. This is a good lad model of curriculum. Good lad, he made it in 1979. Curriculum is a set of indented learning. Curriculum is a set of indented learning. What we say, the definition. Curriculum is a sum of total learning experiences planned for the particular group of students in order to achieve the educational objective. That's what we are telling, but he told it is a indented learning. What does been all include? It's telling that institution. The institution is the one which is providing the whole body of the courses according to the instruction given by INC or WBNC, whatever it may be. Right or not? Learner. Curriculum, no meaning if there is a no learner. The learner is he sees it what intended for him to learn. What is he expected, his behavioral change. The curriculum is also playing a main role with the policy maker. The policy makers, the curriculum is the body of educational offering available to the group of students with a policy framework. Who is doing? So policy makers. Philosopher and educational reformers. They perceive the curriculum as a learning where the students should expose in a standard manner. So the philosophical experts, the teacher. The teacher who is the one translate and plan for the students. So she is precise at what she is supposed to plan for the students as a mean to bring the desirable change in a student behavior. She play an important role. So the curriculum is the intended learning. It is the cooperative approach of the end result of modifying the behavior of the individual who are all involved. Psychologists, reformers, policymakers, learners. Last but not least is a teacher, is the one who make everything. The institution is the one who given opportunity, what is written by the policy maker, what is indented by the INC, the institution providing the opportunity to everything. To whom? To the learner. So the learner accepts it, what she is supposed to do, what he has to learn. So it's a beautiful model, which is explained by the good lad model. If the curriculum is the question which is coming for the 15 mark, you can add one model. This will be boost your mark, especially for the MSc nursing students. Hope you understand the totality, steps of curriculum development by following my video, and how you can make a framework. This will help you to may form the curriculum. Thank you so much.